Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 96 of our 365 days meditation challenge. Today, we'll focus on the powerful intention, I want to live and not just survive. This meditation is about shifting from endurance to aliveness, choosing vibrancy, presence, and joy. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly, releasing the tension and exhaustion of survival mode. Feel the ground beneath you holding your body. Imagine strong, steady roots growing from you into the earth. Let this connection remind you you are alive and you are safe here. With each breath, become aware of the sensations in your body, the rhythm of your heart, the movement of air in your lungs. These are quiet reminders of life itself. Think of a moment when you felt truly alive, laughing, moving, connecting, creating. Let the memory light you up from within. Life isn't meant to be endured. It's meant to be lived. Now, repeat these affirmations, allowing their truth to settle deep in your body. I am choosing to live, not just survive. My life is a gift meant to be fully experienced. And I allow joy and presence to guide my path. When you are ready, take a final deep breath in, gently return to the room, and open your eyes. As you move through your day, carry the intention to live boldly, gently, and fully. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.